Okay, I'm going to be making some violet honey for children. Adults can also take it. Basically for coughs. We have 1 cup of honey in the pan, and we're going to add 3 cups of packed fresh violet flowers. And it doesn't matter on the color of the violets. They all have the same medicinal purpose. And you do not wash or rinse them. You keep it on a low heat and then we're going to let it keep it on low heat for about 10 minutes. And it's been cooking for, or simmering for almost 10 minutes. And as soon as we're done here, we'll strain it and strain it right into the jar. And I'll bring you back for that. Making a mess. Okay, now you want to press as much liquid out of this as you can and down into the jar. And then you just cap it, clean it up because of the mess. Cap it, and it is good for 1 year in your pantry. When you give it to a child, you give them 3 drops every 30 minutes or so, or you can put it in a drink or give them half of a teaspoon. Okay, that is the violet honey, and I said it wrong, so it's a few drops for your child every 30 minutes, or you can drizzle a little on their finger and allow them to suck it off. Stored in the pantry, this honey will keep for about 1 year. Let me know if you try it.